In August 1963, people traveled far and wide to Washington, D.C. to advocate for civil rights. They took planes, trains, and automobiles. However, one man traveled there a different way. On August 17, 1963, 27-year-old Ledger Smith, aka Roller Man, made his way into Washington, D.C. His trip originated in Chicago and ended 10 days and 685 miles later at the Lincoln Memorial. His goal was to attend the March on Washington and witness Martin Luther King Jr.'s iconic I Have a Dream speech. His mode of transportation? Roller skates. Smith worked as an entertainer doing tricks on roller skates before his monumental journey to Washington. Smith was one of thousands who descended on Washington in August of 1963, but his arduous journey was particularly symbolic of the struggle of many African Americans of his day. To dramatize the march, he did it the slowest way. He skated for 10 hours a day and lost 10 pounds by the end of the trip.